Hi, I'm Mr. Roper at Haslingden High School, and I'm going to do some drop testing with our iPads to demonstrate the features of the Otterbox Defender case and to show you how robust and resilient it is coping with everyday drops and smashes. So we're going to do some drop testing now on the device just to show you how good the case is basically. So the first thing that might happen is just a normal switch off a desk. So I'm just going to take this iPad here. It's got the lid on, it's got the protective case around the back, and I'm going to do that with it. So you can see it's landed on the floor, the case has stayed on, and just show to camera to take the lid off. The touch screen is working absolutely fine there. Next we're going to do a drop test from around about waist height. We'll do it with and without the top case on, and we'll do a corner test just to show how strong the case is. So around about tummy height, drop it onto the floor like that, bit of a crash. And again, like I've been showing earlier on, we'll have a quick look at the display just to show that that is working normally, so no issues there. Now I'm going to turn the case over so the screen is pointing to the floor. Same sort of height again, and we'll let go. There it is. And one more time, no issues with the screen. We'll do a corner drop. It's often the most vulnerable part of the iPad case is the corner. So we'll try and land it on the corner and see if we cause any damage. And as before, there's no evidence of any cracking on the screen, and the screen's working absolutely fine. We're going to try and simulate normal dropping conditions and drop the iPad from about here, from about waist height, and see how it responds. So here we go. So that's now on the floor, and let's see how the case has responded in the iPad. Now I'm just going to walk up to camera here, and as you can see, the screen display is absolutely fine, and I've got touch screen response. I'm going to throw the iPad off the roof without its lid on and try and land it on the concrete below me and see how it copes this time. So here we go. The iPad landed on its back, it didn't have the lid on, and it's travelled about 18 feet there before it hit the deck. Again, just to show you, the iPad's working absolutely fine. There's no issues to do with cracking on the screen, and the touch screen's working normally.
Well, we've not broke the iPad yet, so we're going to take it to another level altogether, and we're going to try and drive over the iPad. This time it's got the lid on, and we'll see if we can smash it now. So I guess this is the moment of truth.
And it still works.
One final test to see if we can break the iPad without the lid on. It's face down, so just in case something bad does happen and I get glass in my tyres, which I don't really want to happen, I want to drive over it with the screen side down to the ground. So let's take a look at the iPad. Now, this time it's not looking too promising because the weight of the car has forced out the top of the case, and we've got some cracking here. So we have managed at last to break the iPad. Clearly there was no lid on at this point, and it emphasises the fact that as school policy we expect students to have a lid on their iPad at all times when they're not using the device, although in this instance not necessarily for driving a car over the top of it. Thank you for watching.